What if I told you the government offered you $130,000 to buy a home in Ontario? It sounds like a dream, right? Especially with the way housing market has been. Well, you might want to sit down for this. The government of Ontario just announced a plan that could put that exact amount back in your pocket when you buy a brand new home. It's a huge headline-grabbing number. But before you start calling builders, you need to understand the fine print. Think of it this way. It's like winning a lottery ticket where the rules of cashing it in are written in a tiny font on the back. So, is this the deal of a lifetime or a clever plan to help the construction industry? In this video, we are going to break down exactly who this program is for and who is not for. And most importantly, what's the big catch here? Let's start with the big announcement. On March 26, 2026, the government of Ontario announced major shakeup for the housing market. For 1 year only, they are getting rid of the full 13% HST on qualifying in new build homes. Most government help for home buyers is like a small coupon of your grocery bill. This is like the store announcing that they are paying for your entire cart on a new home that cost $1 million. That's a saving of $130,000 straight up. Here are the key details that you need to know. This special rebate is temporary, running from April 1st, 2026 to March 31st, 2027. You will get the full 13% HST rebate on a new home valued up to $1 million. And that maximum saving of $130,000 stays in place for homes all the way up to $1.5 million mark. After that, the rebate amount starts to shrink. And here's the kicker. This program is not just for first home buyers. It's open to everyone, including the real estate investors. Usually these programs have very strict guest lists. But this time, the government has thrown the doors open and sent invitation to everyone. And that's a massive change. And it tells you that they are trying something new. By the way, my name is Ilham Ibrahim. I'm a real estate agent here in Vaughan. I help Canadian families buy and sell homes with confidence. Let's reveal the catch here. And this is where you need to pay close attention because there are 3 things that you need to think about. First, and this is the most important one, this program is only for new constructions, new build homes. It's like a giant gift card that only valid for a specific brand new store. It does nothing for the resale market, which is where most people actually shop. And this puts you at a crossroads. Do you use the huge rebate on a new build home? Or could you find a better bargain on a resale home in a market that has been a bit soft? Second point, let's talk about who really wins here. This announcement comes as home construction in Ontario is slowing down. So the question here, is this program for you, the home buyer? Or is it $1 billion rescue plan for builders? Think of it this way. Is the government giving you a discount on a new car? Or the government giving the factory a giant subsidy just to keep the assembly line moving? With you being the person who drives the car off the lot. Many people are arguing it's the second one. The third point here, you have got the sugar rush effect now. This is a 1-year deal only. It's like announcing a massive 1-day only sale. It creates a Black Friday style. Make buyers all rushing to get the deal, which could just drive up the prices for a new build homes and eat up into your savings. And then what happened when the sale ends and the sugar rush crashes? Because on April 1st, 2027, the program will disappear overnight, which could create a market cliff, leaving anyone who bought at the peak in a very tricky position. Let's address what this means for you. So let's put all this together. Is this deal a good deal or not? My honest opinion, it depends on who you are. So if you are a first home buyer, that instant $130,000 in saving is massive. It could be that one thing that finally lets you get into the market. But you have to be careful. Don't let the shiny rebate distract you from the total cost. And if you are a real estate investor, this is a very interesting opportunity. The government is essentially rolling out the red carpet for you, hoping your money will help get shovels in the ground. In the past, investors were often locked out of these programs, but now you are a guest of honor. But you are also making a bet on the housing market that's been showing some weaknesses. The bottom line is this. The $130,000 is real, and the saving is legitimate. But it's not a simple gift. The housing market is changing faster than ever, and understanding the real story behind announcements like this is the key to make smart move. So if you want to stay ahead of the game and get clear, straightforward analysis on the housing market, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So is Ontario really giving you $130,000 for a house? The answer is yes. But the catch is, this is very targeted, temporary shot in the arm for a specific part of the housing industry. So it is a calculated play in the high stakes of chess games of Ontario real estate. And your job is to see the whole board and know all the rules before you decide to make your next move.